Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Snapchat app not working or crashing issue on iPhone. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that they are facing an issue of Snapchat, that their Snapchat app is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Snapchat app not working or crashing on iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number one is to restart the Snapchat app. Sometimes force closing the Snapchat app and reopening it can resolve minor glitches. To do this, you have to simply open the Snapchat, then close it and try reopening it again. If this still doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix these type of issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to simply open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for update for your Snapchat app. You have to open the App Store and then search a Snapchat, tap on it, tap on Snapchat, and if you see any update available for your Snapchat app, simply tap on update and update your Snapchat to its latest version. So guys, after trying this all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and your Snapchat is not working properly, then you have to do is check for Snapchat server issues. Sometimes Snapchat experience server outages or issues on their ends, which can cause the app to malfunction. You can check if there are any reported issues with Snapchat servers by visiting the Snapchat support Twitter account or their official status page. If you see that there is no issue on their side, then you have to do is simply reinstall the Snapchat app on your iPhone. So guys, this is the last steps. To do this, you have to simply go to the Snapchat and tap and hold on it. Tap on remove app, tap on delete app and delete the Snapchat from your iPhone and then reinstall it from the App Store. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Snapchat app not working or crashing issue on iPhone. If this video helps you, then be sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.